After nearly 20 years of development, Cat Van Looy Industrial Electrical Equipment Manufacturing Joint Stock Company has affirmed its position as a Vietnamese brand, with a commitment to building a strong foundation based on vision, mission, and core values. Vision: to become the leading Vietnamese brand in the production and supply of M&E electrical materials in Vietnam and ASEAN countries. The formation and development of Cat Van Looy. In 2007, Cat Van Looy Trading and Services Company Limited was established. By 2009, the company was renamed Cat Van Looy Industrial Electrical Equipment Co-Ltd. In 2010, Cat Van Looy was chosen by Jetro, Japan, as one of excellent Vietnamese companies in southern Vietnam. In 2018, a major milestone was marked with the establishment of a manufacturing plant for electrical GI conduit and fittings for mechanical and electrical systems. The modern production facility, spanning 15,000 square meters, is located in Ho Chi Minh City's Automotive Mechanical Industrial Park. Continuing to affirm its ambition to expand globally, in 2022, Cat Van Looy built a second factory, specializing in mechanical products, equipped with modern automated production lines. By 2024, Cat Van Looy was selected as one of 35 enterprises to participate in the Vietnamese Pioneering Enterprises Reaching Out to the World program. This initiative provides support worth $150,000 under the USAID IPSC project, coordinated and overseen by Deloitte Vietnam for 2 years, 2024 and 2025. Mission: to provide customers with comprehensive M&E electrical material solutions manufactured in Vietnam, meeting the standards of G7 developed countries. And all of Cat Van Looy's products meet the standards of developed countries such as UL. Core values. People. The company regularly organizes periodic health checkups and provides comprehensive insurance packages. Exciting team-building activities foster team spirit, while inspiring challenges like marathons ignite the drive to excel. Additionally, meaningful Lunar New Year gifts and well-deserved rewards are heartfelt tokens of appreciation from Cat Van Looy for the dedication and contributions of its employees. Creativity. Cat Van Looy continually improves its processes through the Japanese monozukuri production method, in combination with support programs from the U.S. Agency for International Development's Improving Private Sector Competitiveness, USAID, IPSC, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, Samsung, and Industrial Development Center, and the International Labor Organization, ILO. Reliability. For its product quality and service, Cat Van Looy's products are supplied not only to over 20 Japanese contractors in Vietnam. Cat Van Looy is selected by Jetro Global as one of the potential Vietnamese companies Vietnam from 2010 to 2025, and recommended to Japanese investors in Vietnam, but have also expanded to markets in Japan, New Zealand, Bangladesh, and ASEAN. In an effort to reach out to the world, the company has participated in international trade exhibitions such as CamBuild, Cambodia, Mechanical Components and Materials Technology Expo, Japan. Quality. Cat Van Looy is committed to delivering consistent product quality, stringently managed under the ISO 9001-2015 quality management system. Our products proudly meet the highest global benchmarks, fully complying with strict international standards including UL listed, UL classified, and NEMA, ANSI, JIS, BS, IEC, DIN. Competitive. Adaptability and creativity are the competitive strengths of Cat Van Looy. The company maintains its competitive edge by enhancing product value through superior quality and service. Cat Van Looy's products are featured in many major projects. Matarbari Ultra Supercritical Coal-Fired Power, Bangladesh. Techo International Airport, Cambodia. Manila Metro Rail Transit and Light Rail Transit, Philippines. Ho Chi Minh City Metro Line 1, Vietnam. Hanoi Metro Line 3. National Data Center. Tun Son Hat International Airport. Long Than International Airport. Lego Manufacturing Vietnam Factory. Sustainability. Investing in training not only enhances productivity, but also helps build a committed, professional, and responsible workforce, contributing to the company's sustainable development. Core values as guiding principles, we continually strive to affirm the value of products made by Vietnam. With passion and creativity, we are committed to delivering high-quality electrical and mechanical materials that not only meet domestic needs, but also expand into the Asian market. The first M.E.P. Vietnamese electrical manufacturing factory to obtain internationally recognized Underwriters Laboratories U.S. certifications, M.E.P. and IMC GI Conduit, UL79242, Lightning Protection and Grounding System and UL467, and Wire Mesh Tray NEMA 50015.